Question 13. So this one is also about equation of straight line and maybe also the center of triangles. So you are given 3 points, 4, 9, 4, 1 and 7, 5. So you see AB is a vertical line. And then it asks you about condition 1, 2 and 3. Let's sketch the graph first. Okay, so you get 4 and 9, 4 and 1, and also 7 and 5. So let us look at the triangle ABC. What is this triangle? So maybe we find out the length of AC and also BC. So for the length AC, shift plus 4 minus 7, comma 5 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is a 5. And look at the distance BC. So shift plus 4 minus 7, comma 1 minus 5. Again, it's 5. So this one is a isosceles triangle. So while we look at the property of isosceles triangle, we know that where are the center of triangle? They must lie on this horizontal line. Okay, what is it? So it's the angle bisector of this one and also perpendicular bisector for this vertical line. Okay, so what is the equation for this horizontal line? Means that it must be y equals to 5. 1 is correct. Okay, and 2 is not correct because this one you see that x is equal to 4, right? So actually it's not the case. And then 3, we have to find out the shortest distance, okay, from A to BC. So we have to find out the purple line here. So shorter distance means that we have to mark down 90 degrees here. So for the method 1, we let this distance to be h, and because this h will be the height of a 2D triangle, therefore we can use the area equals to area method. So the first method, how can we calculate the area of this triangle ABC? So as this length is 8, means that we can have x times 3 divided by 2 and equals to 5 times h divided by 2. Means that the h will be okay, 24 divided by 5. So 3 is correct, means that B is the correct answer. Okay. And then how about method 2? For the method 2, we can find out the equation of BC first. So means that y minus 1 divided by x minus 4 will be equals to 5 minus 1 divided by 7 minus 4. Okay, then we can find out that the equation of BC will be 4x minus 3y minus 13 equals to 0. After we get this BC equation, then we can find out the h. Okay, because this time is the point A to the distance, okay, BC. So we are finding the distance between point and line. So we can use a out of syllabus formula. So absolute value 4 times 4 minus 3 times 9 minus 13 absolute value, okay, divided by square root 4 square plus 3 square. So you can also get a 24 over 5. But how can you use calculator to do so? So for this absolute value, you can press shift close bracket 4 times 4 minus 3 times 9 and then minus 13 divided by square root 4 square plus 3 square. Okay, you also get 24 divided by 5. So actually, what is this formula? Okay, while we discuss this, okay, so the formula will be like this. If we have a point and a straight line. We want to find out this distance, shortest distance between the point and also the straight line. We call the straight line to be ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and the point we let it as x1 and y1. So how can we find out the d? Distance equals to absolute value a times x1 plus b times y1, means that you substitute the x1 y1 into the equation, okay, plus c absolute value divided by square root of a square, okay, plus the b square. Then you can find out the correct answer. Okay, and lastly we can also have the method 3 to tackle this question. Since we have all 3 points are given, how can we tackle 1 and 2? So you can use program for center of triangle. Okay, so let's change it into 4 plus 9i, 4 plus I, and also 7 plus 5i. Okay, we want to check the circumcenter and orthocenter. Orthocenter is output 2, and circumcenter will be output 3. Okay, let's check the value. So program 4 plus 9i, 4 plus I, and also 7 plus 5i. So orthocenter will be, okay, this is orthocenter, so will be 28 over 3 and 5i, so means that comma 5. So the x equals to 4 does not pass through the orthocenter. 2 is wrong. And look at the circumcenter. So we have 17 over 6 and sorry, we skip it. So 17 over 6 and 5. This one will be the circumcenter. That means that it lies on the y equals to 5, this one. But for 3, you still have to calculate it by yourself.